Ladies and gentlemen, today I have for you the best device, the best transducer, the best headphone of all time. We have the Abodos Bass Strong Music is My Life headphone with hi-fi sound effects. Yes, I don't need to even measure this or listen to it. I can already tell you now in this review, this is the best piece of sound you can ever buy because bass strong, yeah. So yes, this is a 20 bucks device from a no-named Chinese stall at a Chinese mall, and I don't know what this base is, this brand is, this base, but it's the best thing ever. And welcome to the 1st of April, and now we are finding out how good. I mean, we know it's good, right? It is a space strong, so it must be awesome. So yeah, join along how we unpack the bass strong device here. Yeah, wireless headphone with bass strong. Ah yeah, model ASWH17 wireless version. Oh, actually it's 5.3. Operation distance 10 meters. Frequency range. Okay, from 2.4 gigahertz to 2.48 gigahertz. So it's only a bit of mids, upper mids, and that's it. Speaker 40 millimeters. Impedance 32 ohm. Rechargeable lithium battery 355 milliampere hours. Wow, music playtime 8 hours. Talking time 8 hours too. Charging time 2 hours. Is this the best thing you have ever heard or what? Tell me, ladies and gentlemen. So, yeah, if you haven't gotten the gist of this, this is my 1st of April review for you. I had a bit of fun when I was on vacation. I went to a mall with obscure Chinese stuff, and I bought a obscure Chinese headphone, which I thought looks the most legit. If you look at this picture here, isn't this great Photoshop, right? It's so good. Like, oh, he's enjoying his extra strong bass. So yeah, join along how we see what you actually get if you spend 20 bucks on strong bass headphone. Yeah, first, of course, as usual, we do an unboxing, and because it needs to be one video for 1st of April, it's also containing the live unboxing here. So yeah, this is thin cardboard. Actually, the color scheme is pretty neat, I gotta give it to them. And with our hi-fi effects, again, let me stress, it's hi-fi sound effects. Yeah, this is highest of qualities. Oh, here you can see it's taped in. Very professional, very professional. Then let's see if we can remove this bad boy. Or not. Can we? Okay, it's really tight in there. And bright orange box here. And when we open the bright orange box, and we slide this out. And then, oh, oh, now it comes. Oh god, highest of, oh god, it's just in there. Yes, look at this. Oh, it's getting even better. Wait, do we have micro USB? Oh, yes. Oh, good friend, micro USB. Best connector of all time. Oh my god, this cable. Oh, it's so high quality. I can't believe it. Oh, my eyes are watering. It's so good. Oh. And then, let's remove it from its packaging. Oh, isn't this? Look at this view. Oh, behold. Oh my god, this is. It's the best. Wow. Look at these seams here. Oh, is this high quality? Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh, it's so light, it's flying away. Oh, it's feeling. Did you hear that? Let me give you another. Yes. Oh, it's perfect. And head cushion. Oh, yes, it doesn't cushion. Boah, that's perfect. Oh, yeah, it's nice. And, oh, yeah, good look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Look at these cushions. They are 2 millimeters deep. Oh, it's perfect. It's exactly what you need. And hey, actually these cushions do cushion. You see that? They're cushioning. And the clamp isn't too clumpy. Ooh, okay. And here, oh my god, you see that? It's bass strong headphones. Bass strong, yeah, that's it. And do we swivel a bit? Actually, can you see it? It swivel a bit. Wow, we even thought about that. That is attention to detail. And oh yeah, we get a 3.5 output here. We get micro USB, our best friend output, and we get a cushion that's already smooshed at the bottom. Perfect. And physical buttons with a printing quality it's the best. I mean, look at this. Oh, isn't this the best printing quality? So MEQ. What does MEQ mean? Mac. Okay, we have phone. We have forward, backward, and on off. And hey, wait, does it have a micro USB input? What? So can I just use this as a Bluetooth player? Wow, okay, okay, okay. Are we living in the future, ladies and gentlemen? And I think this is a microphone hole in this here. I don't know. So, oh, there's a R indicator here as well. Wow, this is super high end, right? This is if you leave the realm of stupid headphones from Focal and Abyss and anything else. When you go to a strong bass headphone, like it's so light. It's literally I have to hold it, otherwise you see that it's starting to float. It's unbelievable. Okay, so yeah, that's the first part of it. Now comes the real fun when I'm going to listen to this, and I don't need to listen to it actually. I think I summoned my review here. Actually, wait, where was the cut here? I can tell you the verdict before listening to this. It's the best headphone ever. It is strong bass. It has everything you need. It is so light. It's just floating off your head. You really need to keep it in order to save it. It is the most comfortable thing ever with really shallow pads. It's exactly what you need. With a head cushion that doesn't really cushion. With a pleather that feels like plastic. It's perfect. It's exactly what you want. And oh my god, it's even height adjustable. So it's the best headphone ever. It is strongly recommended. And you should buy 50 of it in your local Asian store that has obscure Chinese products that you've never heard of. It's the best. And yeah, with this, I hope you enjoyed it. If you have questions, if you have criticisms, please buy strong bass. Donspektor, out. Oh my god, ladies and gentlemen, this is RGB, look at this, so much RGB, bass, strong, oh yes, and yeah, look at this, Bluetooth connecting, it's turning on, I can't believe it, it really is the best device of all time, and yeah, oh my god, like Bluetooth and bass strong, it's unbelievable, it's perfect, it's the only headphone you will ever need, boah, so sick. Yes, it has RGB, ladies and gentlemen. Look at it, it's changing colors, slowly. There's no way to influence the color change. It's perfect. And yes, this Bluetooth light here, which is very bright at the bottom of the chassis, is always on, can't turn it off. It's always shining through the very, very thick plastic. And if you ask, did it look scratched right off the box? Yes, it did. Highest of qualities, highest of qualities. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, join along. So I have been trying out this headphone. And I'm looking at the manual because I couldn't find out what MEQ is supposed to be. And yeah, yes, you can see here, there isn't much details whatsoever about how to actually use it. So we have here, there's 9 different things. And it is not described how FM mod is supposed, MEQ/FM mod. And if you actually activate MEQ/FM mod, you listen to this. There's no way to change the FM you are on, if it actually is FM, honestly, I can't tell you. And I'm a bit scared to put a card in this, otherwise it might destroy the card or eat the card, so I will probably not be doing that. But yeah, it apparently supporting FM. And yep, that's a very good feature to have. And yeah, you only hear this noise. And if you press the louder, quieter button, of course it doesn't change the frequency, so it's just not doing anything. It's a top quality, top. Welcome to the live listening sessions of me with Bass Strong headphones. So I just listened to 16 seconds, and my first reaction was. It sounds like you're listening to a tin can. It's so perfect. Yeah, I'm listening to If I Were from Nothing More. Oh god, it's so good. The tinniness, it's perfect. And is bass strong? Not really. It's okay. Oh god, it has shout for male vocals. Perfect. Wow, bass strong doesn't have strong bass. I can't believe it. Who would have known? Thing that sits on your ears doesn't manage space. Wow, what a surprise. Wow. Okay, let's change to, how about Shout, DJ Stranger remix, and no sub bass. Nice, it's perfect. Oh god, it's hurting my ears. Ah! It has a peak at either 6 or 8K. Really unpleasant one, and then no extension after that, according to my ear. And that's shouty. Oh yeah, shout Shout. Yeah, it's shouting. Okay. I think I've had enough at this point. This is, it's violating my ears. What a surprise. Cheap headphones sound cheap. Wow. Who would have known? And now, last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at the frequency response here. First, yeah, it's so much space, it's basically you can't see it. It's disappearing off the graph below 80 hertz. It's like it's completely gone. It's so much, the coupler can't handle it. It's completely gone, you know. And then absolutely nice, the shout between 1 and 2 kilohertz here. It's exactly how frequency responses should be. Give us a lot of 1 to 2K with this. With an immediate drop after that, it's so good. Like, I can't stress how good this is. And then look at the huge dip at 4K, combined with the peak at 5K, makes it really nicely unpleasant to your ear. It's like, you know, it's piercing your eardrum, especially in combination with the 8K peak. That, yes, is an actual 8K peak. That means it also adds a really nice sibilance to all of the vocals, making it really, really pleasant. And then it completely dips after 8K or 9K and is gone. Like, the coupler here shows you there is frequency after that, but I can't hear it. So it's definitively fault of my ear, but it's not there, and not just a coupler fault here. And it's genuinely the best headphone I've ever listened to, and the frequency response actually proves that. Let me just show you a comparison to the 2020 Sundara, which is kind of the benchmark in terms of mostly natural tuning. And you can see it's way better in every aspect here. You can see, yeah, the line of a strong bass mostly above the line of Sundara. So that means it's generally better. That's how things work. And at 4K also, when it's below that, no, like a human ear can't hear anything outside of 2.4 kilohertz to 2.4 kilohertz, what the frequency range of this headphone is supposed to be. So we are absolutely fine here. Trust me, bro. It's all good, and it's perfect. And yeah, that summons up the analysis here of the frequency response. It's thumbs up, absolutely marvelous.